I asked you in the last exercise to get a list of the different parts of a vacuum cleaner. So from reading from your answers, I've got a selection of what you've written down here. Now, on the previous exercise, we were looking just at system diagrams. Now, a system diagram doesn't care what's inside, right? So we've got the system is the vacuum cleaner. Air goes into the vacuum cleaner, dirt goes in, and there's a switch as well. The air goes back out into the room, and the dirt goes out in a bag or in the container to the bin. So that is a systems diagram. It only shows what goes into the system and what comes out of the system. The in is usually on the left, and the out is usually on the right. With the subsystem diagram, you're looking at what happens in the middle. Right? So again, the air out to the room and the dirt out to the bin, they are still the outputs. So generally speaking, it's best to have them over on the right. Right? The other parts we have to judge about and get them in the right place. Again, the air is going to come in on the left, and the dirt will be in on the left, and I guess we have the switch as well. So those three things are on the left. Right. The switch will control the motor. Right. The motor will control the fan. The motor will also control the rotating brush. Now, I guess on the way in, the air and the dirt is going to pass the rotating brush, so they maybe need to go there. Then maybe the fan. Oh, and then I guess the dirt goes past the fan into the input port, and then there's probably the dust bag. There might be a dust bag, and then the filter. And this all takes a little bit of moving about, and from the filter there'll be an exhaust port, and air will go out to the room. I'll just maybe take a wee second. I'll just shift some of these about, give myself a bit more room. Right. You can do this. This is it's actually a website. It's called Draw.io. You can download the program as well. It's quite good for doing instructions like diagrams like this. Right. So the switch controls the motor. The motor controls the rotating brush. The motor also controls the fan. The air comes in and goes through the rotating brush. The dirt will also go through the rotating brush. Okay, so it's the air and the dirt, rotating brush, and then from there it goes through the fan. From the fan, it's going to go to the input port, right? And from the input port, it'll go to the dust bag. And I can see I've made a mistake. From the dust bag, it'll go up to the filter. From the filter, the air will go to the exhaust port, and then from the exhaust port, the air will go out to the room. Now, the filter is going to help put the dirt into the bag. Okay, now, I forgot about the belt. The belt goes here. Okay, so the motor drives the belt, and the belt drives the rotating brush. So here we go, a subsystem diagram of the vacuum cleaner. Okay, I guess I could spend a wee while tidying the diagram up a wee bit. Maybe can I move this? And just to make things a little bit prettier. Okay, the idea of the subsystems diagrams is you can see like the air and the dirt goes into the rotating brush, and you can see the belts controlling it. It shows how the systems are linked together inside the bigger system. Okay. Now, systems diagram only shows the inputs and the outputs. The subsystems diagram goes in to more detail. Okay. We could take the motor and split the motor down into its different parts, a kind of subsystem diagram. Okay. We don't need that level of detail. Okay. Okay. Thank you.